Hi, I'm Nathan from Drawboard, and today I'd like to show you the text review tools in Drawboard PDF. We've got highlight, squiggly, underline, and strikeout. Now, you can use these tools in any PDF that has embedded text, but you can't use them in PDFs that you've scanned in. So let's take a look. You can find the text review tools in the top level of the radial menu. I've got strikeout, highlight, underline, or squiggly. Or if I go to the advanced tools drawer, I can find them under the Draw tab. So let's go ahead and choose the highlight. And I'm going to zoom in and I'll highlight this line here. Now, I use my pen, but of course you can use your mouse if you'd like to. Now, let's remove some text reviews from the PDF. I'll go into the same menu and choose the text review remove tool. This will remove any text reviews from your PDF, but not any other annotations. So there we go, and let's get rid of that K there as well. That's it. If you'd like any more help, please head over to the Drawboard website.